welcome back to another video, guys. Promise you it's gonna be a video almost every single day of this year. Next week is gonna be kind of a sad because we are gonna be helping out a friend with his X pipe. You guys know Safety Ray. We just did a little photo shoot with him. Follow me on Instagram, you'll see the photos there. The fuzzy thing right underneath me is called the DJI mic. I wasn't so clear on the video when I did do that whole on review and everything. My guy, hold on. Make up your mind. You're going forward, you're going backward. But I basically skipped out a few things. This thing does have a magnet on there, so you can stick it onto your body and basically like walk around without it being clipped onto your clothes. As far as the plan is with the whole entire drone situation, now that one, I'm not too sure I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna try to get a double connector to connect the transmitter to the mic. And if that doesn't work out, then I'm gonna put the audio and kind of just have it voiceover. Still has to be like that, but I'm trying to get that real drone footage so you guys can hear the drone and just so it's more lively being in the air and stuff like that. But we're gonna check out what kind of cars are here today. It's gonna be kind of a vlog, so stay tuned, grab some popcorn, grab some soda, some chips, but let's go ahead and check out what's around here. So starting off, I mean, this guy right here, he showed up to one of our meets, so we know him. But there is somebody over here with some really, really loud music. Even though the mic is underneath my neck, it is still picking up audio from that guy because, man, he is playing like he is over here in Coachella. So, heard this thing chopping down here. Sheesh. And there's another one. The crazy thing is, one of these cars just got stolen the other night. In white like that. This one's quiet for now. For now. There's a lot of people surrounding this area. Found something, but it's in the dark. Over here I have a S13. That's clean. Thumbnail perhaps? And there goes homeboy. Angelo, I believe. Let's see if he recognizes me. Hold on. Man, he's got a whole different passenger, but it's alright. Some friends say what's up, some friends don't. But I would have to go to them probably just so they know who I am. Get ready for a lot of this kind of content coming up. A lot of this is going to be happening in the next few months. I do plan on driving all the way to Texas just to see the lowrider show over there. So what do we got in here? LS swap. I think this guy was the one doing burnouts last time at another car meet. Don't remember the page, but nice. Don't go anymore. I'll hit this Toyota. Nice. It's got a little squishy pig. That thing's sick. It's a nice car, man. Got the Godzilla in front. Yeah, that thing's nice. They had you park in the light, huh? Yeah, now you can see this car is over there hiding in the dark. Can't do that. There you go, that thing's nice. Capturing the whole crowd and everything. Man. So we are having a car meet on the 20th, guys. You guys want to come through? Canes El Segundo. We'll be there chilling. and I'll be keeping you guys updated. I just want to say real quick, we are almost there to getting monetized. Obviously, yes, we have to get that viewer time up, but monetization is kind of like the main goal for this year, and then getting the viewers, it'll come in due time. Kitty 99. I like this wrap. The wrap's pretty cool. Comment down below, guys, what are your thoughts about bag Teslas? Oh yeah, and the reason why I'm not up in the air right now, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but the drone has restricted space, and basically we're by Long Beach airport, so they won't allow the drone to be flying around here, which sucks, but it's all right. Already somebody doing a baby burnout over here. Is it the Miatas, question mark? Because I was in the line over there. 60, yeah, it probably was the Miata. Look at this little turd. All right, let's go say hi to this guy real quick. What up, man? You remember me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how are you, dog? Where's everybody at?
Good, nah, home chilling.
Home chilling, yeah. I saw the car from a mile away. I'm like, this guy's rolling solo tonight, huh? Yeah. What happened, though? Everybody just didn't want to come out?
My pops is sick, and then everyone's just chilling at home. You know?
I hope it gets better, bro. I hope it gets better. Yeah, I know. There's some cool cars, some. It's a cool night.
It's good today.
Yeah, they're barely pulling up, so it's still a very early night, too. So, yeah. Nice, yeah. 19 Maro 92, if y'all want to follow him on Instagram. Super cool dude. His family's super cool. They all came out last time to Chill Flow nights. So mad respect for that, because, you know, Chill Flow, we're small, but we're here to obviously chill. We're here obviously to keep peace and bring together the car community. But S13 over there, so you got two of them. One with the pop-ups hatch and one with the body with the trunk. I think the hatch one is my favorite. But so many different vehicles out tonight, even though the night is young. Twins right here, huh? Well, one's a 4-door, one's a 2-door. That's dope. Street Active right here. It's another group that came out and supported, but don't know where the main Honda guy is at. This guy didn't show up last time, but there's a lot of them in that group. What is this? S14? That's the guy doing burnouts to say infinity. Why? Beamers are going crazy around here. Team Inspired. Got the HRE wheels on here. That's sick. Just spotted one of these earlier. Everybody recording. The EcoBoost. I'll meet the clown of the car meet tonight. This thing's nice. Got some T37s on there. No tint, but clean. Sweet. Watch everybody run. Peer pressure is real. There you go. That's a cool photo right there. Does that thing say Barbie on there? Oh, I was on the last one from That one car meet at the college. She's just trying to park her car. Damn, that's a big boy, man. He can handle it though. That's nice. I'm gonna smell like barbecue in the morning. Head to head, are they gonna do it? She said they're gonna kiss. 2 Chargers. Which one is gonna be better, huh? The Chargers or the Mustangs? Chargers or the Mustangs? Which one is better? Movie night. And the BRZ? Okay. That's a long burnout. Okay, who's he gonna smack into though? He's having too much fun. Gotta get it right or die. Look at that, man. He was so close to hitting that. Homie does not care tonight. Sheesh. Some crazy marks that he let down the entire night. But you can see he was swinging around the corners having fun. I like these kind of cars though. Low and slow. Yacht Club. I think it's crazy. Damn. Here come 5-0. Not the one you see, he didn't do nothing.
Wrong person, huh?
Wrong person, bro.
Hey, we got you. Hey, we're witnesses.
It's all on film. He just pulled up. Signal Hill Police. This is the victim or suspect. Thing's crazy, bro. Oh.
Okay.
Nice. Still got tread and everything. It looks like that R33 is taking off. It looks like they got a cop at the entrance. RP power. Take one last cruise through. I hear it. So maybe more cops coming in the background now. It's time for scramble time. It's about that time, 10 o'clock. I really do wish that DJI drone would let me fly up in the air, but man, it's so low you take his fenders off. Ooh. Ooh. Bionic. Alright, so I don't know if there's anything else crazy going on here, but cops are here, cops are coming around the area. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. Let me know how the audio works out. Let's communicate some more. Comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts on today's videos with the mic and everything, how it worked out. And you know, we're gonna be using the mic from here on out, practicing some more, obviously getting some more attachments to use it on some more different things other than just the, you know, camera that we're using now. But as always, guys, stay safe, stay chill.